What's up, Doomslayers? Welcome to another video.
Green! 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 Remember my creator? The Tenyu? You said, he's better. He's definitely cards. They are. What do you want me to do?
Smack that monkey right there. Crap,
And I wanna cry.
We're gonna go break some stinky monkey's ankles.
And I wanna cry.
Time to go break some stinky monkey's ankles. Stinky monkey showing him.
Green, now what you want me to do? Baby, stop!
Stop punching. Power off. Power off. Power off. Yeah, go into the door.
Shut up!
Oh my God. Go break some stinky monkey. They're breaking the sound barrier.
I don't have enough bullets.
Oh, what the? I sound
Juked?
holy crap. Stinky monkey. Stinky monkey. Stinky. Stinky monkey. Stinky.
Open it.
Stinky monkey. Where the crap did you get a waffle?
I'm trying to open it. Okay.
Don't
close the door.
I'm closing the door on all y'all.
Go
Go to the pool, y'all. I got a pool.
to the good man. Open the
Go to the
door.
pool.
Keep the door
Keep the door
open.
open. Yeah, leave the door. If you don't.
being British, I'm gonna blow up your country.
No.
Keep the flipping door. Oh,
Guys,
that's why no monsters are here.
Where
Open the flipping door.
Guys, I'm just drinking my own sweat.
Keep that open. Keep that open. Keep that open. Keep this door open.
Yeah, monsters are gonna come.
Like a flipper. Saw him with the corner of my eye. Holy cow.
So what do you want?
God darn it, why do I keep on getting murdered?
Where is my kid?
Cow!
Where is actually my
Stinky monkey annoying. Ooh. Let me go sweep now. Get away, I'm trying to sweep. What just teleported?
Final goodbyes.
Where'd he go? Whoa!
Get up somewhere. Get out. Get under the table.
Oh yeah, let's go. Stinky monkey's ankles broken.
Get over here. Get over here.
Stinky monkeys must be destroyed.
Run, monkey. Run, monkey. Monkey.
Run! Run, man! Run! Run, soldiers!
It goes like,
Ugh.
she tells us
Wee.
Please don't turn around.
I left sliding.
Stinky
Monkey. Come here, Stinky Monkey. Come on, she's still here. Come on, let me have staff. Be nice. Promise. Oh. Stinky Monkey. Oh, I'm gonna stop talking like that. It's actually getting really annoying.
No. Yeah, there's two monsters at pool.
Which monsters?
Because I can do them.
What?
Oh yeah, top hat.
Alright, I'm gonna try this juke again.
No, I swear if it doesn't work.
I'm gonna try juke.
I'm recording a video right now, so I'm not trying to embarrass myself.
Like a bitch. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? This has Sigma. What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
I can't get up.
I hate how the game lags and you stick to the ground. No. Holy crap, and then you try to get chased by flipping monsters. Come on, Stinky Monkeys. Oh, crud. Oh my god. They already know that I broke their ankles. Holy cow. Before I even started this video. Come on, I want to break some ankles. Come on.
No.
What the heck, man? The chance why the heck is there? No. Oh, Stinky Monkey. See you later. Oh, come on. You have to bring unknowns. Father. Grandpa. Oh, gee. Did bro try to juke him or something? Bye-bye. My pan! My pan! Let me just...
I got the door for you. The button.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, over here.
Oh my god.
You're a bad monkey. Guys, where do y'all want to go?
On my way. I'm going to destroy some ankles.
Yes, I can. No.
You're jump scaring my butt or something? How the heck?
Oh, God.
Oh my god, do you not like nacho?
What's happening?
Hey.
Red, come down here.
In a fight with Germany or something?
Come on.
Red.
I gotta explore all the places by myself. Alright, come on. I think I might know where one might be at. Follow me, guys.
I don't use stairs. I'm like a Kung Fu Panda. I don't like stairs. Oh,
Follow me.
come on.
I think I might know where one is. Just follow me. We're gonna have to go through this way, though.
Where crap are you going?
I know this way. I saw this part in the YouTube video, and I was like, oh, I want to know where that's at. And that looks so cool looking.
Is it like a rat?
It should be up here. Okay, I'm gonna check if there's any monsters up here. I'm coming. Hang on, wait, Lime, wait for Blue.
I wish
Let's
I
do
was
the
able.
last part, and then a cup, guys.
What in
And
the
a
world is
face.
this?
What the?
Where is he?
Oh wait, is this like a Mickey or something? Oh wait, no. Okay, let's go.
Turn on my headset for this. gotta run away now. Enough fun time. Enough fun time.
Run! Run!
Really lame. Oh. Finally. Oh crap, there's another one over there.
Lime! There's an orb!
Where?
Hang on, let me just get to you guys. No, not there. It's somewhere up here.
I need to go back to that part. Finally, I'm collecting orbs. But why the crap is there trees here? I don't remember this being here. Holy crap. I unlocked mine! But that's for a different video soon. Sorry.
Hang on,
Now
let
you
me
know.
go grab.
I got mine, y'all. Let's go back to the music mouse. DJ man. DJ Music Man. I love that guy. But I sure don't love his sons. Nicholas, where'd you find an orb?
Follow us!
Is it in a tree?
No, it's
Oh
in
no,
here.
crap.
There's one up here.
Oh, finally, I'm finding all the green orbs.
Oh yeah, there's another one right here. Right here. And there should be like a box right over there. Alright, let's go. Let's keep finding them.
Hang on, can we go to the music mouse? Can we go to whatever that is?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh yeah, the music mouse. Okay, let's do it.
I'm recording a video too.
Yo, same!
Let's go! Oh yeah! Oh, get it! Oh yeah! Oh! Okay, that's enough time. That's probably gonna be like.
Okay,
It's probably like half of my video now.
There's a box.
Wait, what?
Green, there's a box up there.
Oh crap.
But what the heck is this? That's so weird. But anyways, let's go. Okay, let's go. I'm going.
Wait, who said they were recording the video?
I'm going. Oh, Conehead did. I'm going.
Conehead, what's your YouTube channel?
I'm going. I don't make a YouTube channel yet, but I sure will. And I will post this one, the first one, though.
Oh, if you do, I'll shout out your YouTube channel.
Oh, there's one. Hey,
Get in the fence.
Oh, that.
Conehead, it's me.
Oh, yeah.
I'll shout it. Here, come here to safe zone. Where'd Conehead go? Just gonna shout him out.
Run! Sorry.
Oh, Conehead, you have been shouted out.
There's two random.
Good for you. Darn it! That's an...
I'm gonna track her. Hi! That's what you get with the stigma. Oh my gosh, I died here.
Continue this.
Please, let us. Oh, bro. got it,
Like and subscribe, Scups.
Where did he go?
No, wait, you're going the wrong way. We're not safe.
The Mines video
Yeah, I wonder.
will be coming out right after this. Oh, Conehead!
Oh,
Conehead, is it you? Are you the one recording the video? I can't hear you. Well, that's the end of the video, boys.
Yo, I need to